Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your Samsung tablet or even your phone. So we can just swipe up from the bottom, go to search and type in clock. C-L-O-C-K. There we go. We have clock right here. We can tap it and open this up. Set same volume for all alarms. Okay, we can go to OK and just set the volume there. We can see the alarm option indicated by the clock. Go to the plus icon right here. Now choose the time and make sure you have this set correctly. Then choose the date. So let's go Wednesday, Thursday. And then we got the sounds. I think we can tap this and we can go to Spotify if we want a Spotify sound or our ringtone. We have snooze, alarm group, and then we have the alarm background. Can we change this? We want to change the background. I'm not sure. Background's top left. There we go. Allow all. And I think we got some photos and videos in here too. So let's just do a video. Okay, done. Okay, now we can go to done here. And we can back out and save this. Okay, so I have this alarm set up right here. We can tap it. And we can change this in the future. And just make sure you have it set correctly. And I highly suggest you go to the top right. Go to power. And you restart your tablet before you go to bed or whatever you need this alarm for. Sometimes there might be some sort of software issue where this alarm is not going to be going off. So if you restart it, that reduces the likelihood significantly. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.